One of the biggest mistakes many poultry farmers make is raising birds successfully but failing at pricing. You can have healthy broilers and plenty of eggs, yet still struggle financially if you don't price your products correctly. Many farmers simply copy the price their neighbor is selling, or they accept whatever price buyers offer them. This is one of the fastest ways to lose profit in poultry farming. In this video, I will explain how to properly price your eggs and broilers so you can make real profit, not just sales. Before we go into it, please like this video if you find it helpful, subscribe to the channel for more practical poultry business tips, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future guides. Now let's start with pricing broilers. To price broilers correctly, the first thing you must know is your total cost of production. This includes the cost of day-old chicks, feed, medication, vaccines, water, electricity, litter, transport, and even small expenses like disinfectants. If you don't know how much it costs you to raise one broiler, you are guessing, not doing business. For example, if it costs you a certain amount to raise one broiler to market weight, your selling price must be higher than that cost, otherwise you are working at a loss. After calculating your cost per bird, the next thing to consider is market timing. Broiler prices change based on demand. During festive periods, prices are usually higher, while during oversupply periods, prices drop. Smart farmers plan their production so their birds are ready when demand is high. Another important factor in pricing broilers is bird size and weight. Heavier birds usually sell for more, especially when sold by weight. That is why proper feeding and good management directly affect your profit. Also, consider who you are selling to. Selling directly to consumers often gives better profit than selling to middlemen or bulk buyers. However, bulk buyers offer quick sales. You must decide which option works best for you. Now let's talk about egg pricing. Egg pricing works differently from broilers because eggs are sold daily. This means small pricing mistakes can affect your income every single day. Just like broilers, the first thing you must know is your cost of production. This includes feed, medication, labor, electricity, housing maintenance, and replacement of birds over time. Once you understand your daily cost, you can determine the minimum price your eggs must sell for to remain profitable. Egg prices also depend on egg size and quality. Clean, well-sized eggs sell faster and at higher prices than dirty or cracked ones. Good feeding, clean housing, and proper egg handling improve egg quality and profits. Location also affects egg pricing. Urban areas usually allow higher prices than rural areas. Hotels, supermarkets, and bakeries may pay more if you supply consistently and reliably. Another important factor in egg pricing is consistency. Customers trust farmers who maintain stable prices and regular supply. Sudden price changes without reason can drive customers away. Some farmers increase profit by adding value, such as neat packaging, branded crates, or doorstep delivery. These small efforts can allow you to charge slightly higher prices. Now let's talk about a very important mindset. Many new poultry farmers think poultry farming is just about feeding birds and watching them grow until it is time to sell. They don't realize that poultry farming is a business and pricing is part of management. If you don't plan your pricing, buyers will plan it for you and always in their favor. To maximize profit, you must keep records, monitor your costs, understand your market, and adjust your prices wisely. In summary, pricing eggs and broilers for maximum profit is not about being expensive. It is about knowing your costs, understanding your market, timing your sales correctly, and delivering quality products. If you price too low, you struggle. If you price too high without value, customers leave. But if you price smartly, poultry farming becomes sustainable and rewarding. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. How do you currently price your eggs or broilers? Drop a comment below and share your experience. If this video confirmed something for you or taught you something new, please like it, share it with another poultry farmer, and subscribe to the channel for more practical poultry business lessons. Thank you for watching, and I wish you maximum profit in your poultry farming journey.